And thanks on your time for our viewers and for people in Kosovo. You had the board meeting of AUK today.
That's right.
You did participate as well, generally?
No, I'm not on the board,
Are you
but
not?
I'm very proud to hear about the AUK. I think it's going to be a great institution. It is a great institution. It's going to be even better as time goes on.
Are these people trying to bribe you to put you on board, or?
No, but these people have some very ambitious plans for AUK, including putting the dormitories in and setting up a full exchange program. There are now master's degrees available there, and there are people coming from all over Southeastern Europe to study in an English-speaking institution where they can get management, economics, communications, and public policy degrees. And the exchange with the University of Rochester provides a very high quality of scientific and technical support for the institution that's going to be, one day it's going to lead to exchange students traveling back and forth. So I think AUK is well positioned to be perhaps the leading international university in the Balkans.
Focus on